everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a really important topic: how to teach children about air pollution, especially in a context like Pakistan, where it's a major issue. It's not about scaring them, but empowering them with knowledge and a sense of responsibility. So, if you're a teacher, a parent, or just passionate about environmental education, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some practical and engaging strategies. First up, let's introduce the problem. Forget dry lectures. Start with a brainstorming session. Ask the kids, what do you see around you that makes the air feel dirty? You'll get answers like smoke from cars, burning trash, or maybe even the dust from construction sites. Use photos or short video clips of local scenes, a busy street, a factory, or even crop burning if it's relevant to your area. This makes the issue real and immediate. Once you have their ideas, categorize them. Explain that some causes are natural, like dust storms, but many are from human activities. You can use simple pictures to show the difference between a factory chimney and a volcano. For example, a fantastic practical demo is the smoke's journey. Now, safety first. Under strict supervision, you can light a small, safe item like an incense stick inside a clear glass jar. The kids can watch how the smoke swirls and fills the space. This is a powerful visual to show how pollution doesn't just stay in one spot. The wind carries it everywhere. If you're not comfortable with that, a short animated video explaining how air currents spread pollutants works just as well. Now, let's talk about the impacts. How do we explain the effects of air pollution without getting too technical or frightening? Let's try the clean versus polluted lungs model. It's simple but incredibly effective. Take 2 new sponges. Keep one perfectly clean. This represents healthy lungs, breathing clean air. Dip the other one in some dark, murky water, maybe with a bit of brown or black paint. Squeeze it out and show the kids. This is what happens to our lungs when we breathe in polluted air. You can display a simple chart of the human respiratory system alongside it to connect the model to their own bodies. Storytelling is another wonderful tool. Create a story about an animal, maybe a little bird, who struggles to sing and fly in a city full of smog. Then describe its journey to the clean, fresh air of the mountains and how it feels healthy and happy again. Stories create an emotional connection and can deliver a powerful moral lesson about the dangers of pollution and the beauty of a clean environment. Alright, we've covered the problem and its effects. The most crucial part is next: solutions. We want kids to feel empowered, not helpless. Let's create an I Can Do poster. Divide the class into small groups and have them brainstorm simple actions they can take. Things like walking or cycling for short distances. Reminding parents to turn off the car engine when waiting, planting a tree, or simply wearing a mask on smoggy days. Each group can then present their best idea, and you can compile them all onto one big, colorful poster for the classroom. One of the most impactful activities is a plantation drive. Explain how trees are like nature's air purifiers. They breathe in the bad stuff and breathe out the clean air we need. If your school has space, organize a day to plant a few saplings. If not, you can use small pots and have each child plant a seed to take home and care for. This hands-on experience teaches responsibility and gives them a tangible way to contribute. It's a lesson that will literally grow with them. Finally, let's turn them into little scientists with a simple air quality experiment. Take a piece of card, smear some petroleum jelly on it, and hang it outside in a safe, open space. After a few days, bring it back inside and let the kids observe the specks of dust and dirt that have stuck to it. Maybe even with a magnifying glass. This shows them, in a very real way, that there are invisible particles floating in the air we breathe. It's a great starting point for discussing air quality and why clean air matters. By using a mix of these interactive, hands-on methods, you can transform a complex topic like air pollution into a memorable and impactful learning experience. It's all about making it relatable, understandable, and actionable. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these strategies help you inspire the next generation of environmental heroes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next one. See you soon.